Quartzsite's coming to an end.
I know. We have one full day tomorrow, and then
Kind of sad, isn't it?
Then we're gone.
Kind of sad.
It is. It is.
So we're going out to dinner on our next to last night here with our friends. This is what it's all about. It's all about friends and having a good time. We went for a ride today. Well, you didn't go for a ride today.
You went for a ride. You guys did. Had a good time.
So we're gonna go in and have dinner.
Sounds good.
3, 2, 1, action.
What are we doing?
It's time to go.
Time to leave the desert, isn't it?
Yeah. Now it's time to clean.
Yeah.
Because we need to put that in here.
Yep. And it's hot today.
It is. It's hot. Hotter than it has been.
Yep.
But
So we got the
Yeah, a
desk
lot of-
moved, we got the computers put away, we got
yeah.
just packing up and getting ready to pull the Can-Am in and it'll be loaded. And then we have to load the car and
And that's the big stuff right there.
yep,
After that, it's super easy.
yep.
As you can see, the dust on that, he just vacuumed it
I did.
about half an hour ago.
I
So,
did.
we have a lot of dust in here. So now we're putting things away, rearranging, and getting ready to go. Look good.
Well, one of the things that we do before we leave a dusty area like the Quartzsite Desert is the jacks, the stabilizing jacks, get dust and dirt. Oh, it just collects on them like crazy. So it's kind of important before you leave a dusty desert type environment to clean your jack shafts off. And we use a white lithium grease, and then I use a paper towel and I wipe them down and clean them up before I retract them. That way you're not pulling all that dirt and dust up into the seals of the jacks, and they'll last a lot longer. Well, what do you think?
I'm thinking my hair needs is a little windblown. I'm sad. I'm kind of sad.
Yeah, I am too. That was a really fun time. We were there 6 weeks and a day,
Yeah.
and I had a really good time.
Oh, absolutely. And a lot of our friends, most of them are going to be leaving by the end of the week, I believe.
Yep.
So, yeah. Parting is sweet sorrow, but what this lifestyle gives us is that we'll be able to see them sooner than later,
Yep.
which is what I like.
Yep.
But I am ready for Yuma and get some electric and sewer.
Full hookups.
Yeah, full hookup so we can get this rig clean.
Showers every day or every other day.
If you want shower every day, you can.
Yeah. So it was a really fun time. So
It
we
was.
we pulled out of there and everything is filthy.
And that's typical though. I mean, if you go in thinking you're not going to get dirty, you're wrong, because you're going to get filthy.
I like to tell people you either love Quartzsite or you hate it. It's a love-hate relationship.
Right.
And we haven't run into too many people that like it as well as we do.
But they still like it. Dawn told me that they're coming back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That was their first trip.
That was their first trip. They were a little discouraged because of all of the wind and how cold it was, because it was abnormally cold this year and windy. But they're going to give it another try because they really liked it out here.
So it was fun. That's boondocking 101. Costs you $40 for 2 weeks or $180 for a season. And there's a lot to do. And as we said before, you can go out and if you want to be a hermit and you want to hibernate out of the way from everybody, you can certainly do that.
Yes.
We don't like to do that. We like to hang out with friends. And we had a campfire a few times and just got a chance to meet some new friends and some new people and you know, exchange information. Got some good ideas. We got some good ideas from some people. They got good ideas from us. And this whole lifestyle is nothing but a learning process.
Absolutely. You learn something every day.
Yep. So it's just a short hour and a half down to Yuma.
That's nice.
We've never been to this park, so it'll be interesting. They assure us that they've got a site that will accommodate us, and we're going to go find out. So down the road we go to Yuma.
I hope.
I feel like I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing new. And every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old tide, blinded by the lights, and I'm going through changes, but it's easier with you. I'm going through changes.
We made it to Yuma.
Yay! We love Yuma.
We're here at Araby Acres. It's an RV resort. It's part of our 1,000 Trails Encore package.
Yes.
So we can stay, because this is an Encore resort, we can stay here for up to 2 weeks.
We can. It would be nice to stay longer because it's really pretty here.
It's a really nice resort, but it is a little crowded.
Sardine crowded.
Yeah. But we're comparing it to Quartzsite, where we were.
You can have an acre for yourself.
Yeah. So, and then because the sites are so small, we had to park the truck off-site in extra parking, and so, but that's okay.
We
I
were
mean,
grateful
it is what it
that
is.
they could do that.
Yes, yeah. Now we love the boondock,
We do. We love it a lot.
but it's really nice to come to full hookups.
Oh yes, when you don't have to think about, can I do ice today or wait until the numbers on the solar go up? It's crazy.
Or can I shower today?
Yeah.
How
Oh,
long
yeah.
has it been since I've had my last shower?
I don't know. I showered today.
We love the green grass
Oh,
here in Yuma at this park.
the birds.
The birds
Oh.
sound wonderful.
Yes.
The flowers are all out and blooming and blossoming, and it's just absolutely gorgeous.
Oh, it's a huge pick-me-up, isn't it?
It is.
It's huge.
It is. It's
and then we have a beautiful little fountain behind
Yeah.
us with the water. It's so pretty.
They've got a pool and a hot tub and horseshoes and all this stuff that comes with an RV resort. So it's nice.
But there's still wind.
There is still wind, but we're not getting the dust.
Oh gosh, no. No, it is clean wind.
It's clean wind.
I can handle that.
So we love Yuma. It's really a nice little town. It's well, I don't know what the population is, but they've got a Sam's Club, they've got 3 Walmarts, they've got a nice shopping center.
They do. I mean, Target and Kohl's and all the
Yeah,
everything you need.
Best
is
Buy,
here.
anything you do. Oh, and
Lowe's.
Lowe's and Home
Yep.
Depot.
Yep.
And we were getting kind of low on some of the stuff, so we have already made a trip to Sam's.
It won't be the last.
And we packed up the Smart and we played Tetris and got everything home, but we need to go back for some more stuff.
Like paper towels. There's no way we could fit that.
But we're using this as a restock as well. We used a lot of stuff out in the desert. 6 weeks in the desert, and Quartzsite's only got a couple of small little grocery stores, and you just can't restock. Well,
You can go to Parker.
yeah,
Parker has a Walmart.
yeah.
And that's about an hour away.
So we've been restocking the rig, and Kelly's been rearranging the rig.
Trying to fit everything
And with all that, you know, we got to run back and forth to the store and so on and so forth. So anyway, we like the convenience of the town of Yuma.
We do.
So Yuma's also got a lot of restaurants.
It does.
So anything that any kind of food you want, they've got it all. They've got, you know, really good Mexican restaurants. They've got chain restaurants, you know, they've got an Olive Garden, they've got a Texas Roadhouse, and you know, all the big chains are here. So it's nice to have the amenities of a little bigger town and you know, kind of restock and regroup and after boondocking for 6 weeks in the desert.
Exactly. And we can jump in our Can-Am
Yep.
and drive it all around town if we want.
Yep.
Or go up into the hill. So it has a lot of everything that we really like.
Yep. And what was the first thing we did when we got here?
We washed our poor dirty car.
Oh, our rigs
was
are so filthy.
Oh my gosh.
It's gross.
It is.
It's
It
gross.
is.
So we washed Little Red, and it's shiny again. And we're planning on washing the RV and washing the truck, inside and out.
Yes.
Everything is just coated with the desert
It is.
dust.
He rinsed the mats off.
The entry mats.
They were so, oh my gosh. You walked on them and it was like, poof, all this
Yeah.
dust. And now it doesn't do that anymore. It's so nice.
So we're going to wipe down all the screens, we're going to wipe down all the windows, we're going to wipe down all the cabinets, we're going to wipe down all the walls. We're going to clean everything while we're here. It's a deep clean process, and we're going to get it done while we're here before we move on. The weather's been awesome.
Oh my gosh, high 80s.
Yep.
It's just beautiful. But we have air conditioning.
We're plugged in and
because
have
we're
AC.
plugged in. So, come
Bring
on.
it on.
Bring it on.
Bring the warm
Bring the
weather
heat
on.
on. It's okay. We're set.
So anyway, we are here for a while in Yuma. We're not sure just exactly how long we're going to stay. We've got to start making our way east to Texas and then north to Oklahoma to have the fifth wheel repairs done.
That's right. And go see the kids.
And but while we're here, we've got some friends in the Yuma area, and we're going to try to get together with them at least once, maybe probably twice or
Hopefully.
3 times
Yeah, hopefully
while
more
we're
than
here.
once.
Have lunch, have dinner, and just kind of enjoy our time in Yuma. So we're done with Quartzsite. We're done with boondocking. Oh, and so make sure you guys. We've had a lot of questions on what are we going to do with the diesel prices lately.
Ugh.
We're actually working on that, and we're going to bring that to you next week. But yeah, come back next week. We're going to talk about diesel prices.
It's sad. It's expensive. And everybody is affected by it, not just us.
But it's part of the full-time RV life.
Yes.
All right, so let's wrap this one up from Yuma, Arizona.
It all starts with an idea.
Thanks for coming along, guys. We'll talk to you next week.
Bye.
Bye-bye.